Breath of change, Robert's journey with asthma. Robert, a 34-year-old school teacher, had a secret he kept from most people: asthma. While he looked healthy and energetic on the outside, sudden changes in weather, a dusty room, or even one bite of oily food could leave him gasping for breath. Nights were the worst: wheezing, chest tightness, and constant fear. Tired of relying only on inhalers and pills, Robert decided to try something different, something natural and sustainable. Hub emoji. The shift begins. He visited an Ayurvedic doctor who patiently listened and then said, "Robert, asthma is not just in your lungs. It's in your food, environment, and habits. Clean these, and you'll breathe freely." From that day, Robert's kitchen and lifestyle saw a transformation. White tick mark emoji. What Robert started eating and doing, his meals became simple and digestive friendly, no more fast food or greasy curries. He switched to chapatis made of fiber-rich flour, often adding bajra, millet. Every lunch had boiled veggies like palak, spinach, parval, methi, and tinda, all steamed, never fried. Fruits like papaya, chiku, pomegranate, and grapes became his go-to snacks. Each morning started with a pinch of turmeric in warm water, a touch of rock salt, and a mix of clove, cardamom, and licorice powder in lukewarm water, a powerful homemade remedy for breath clarity. He added jaggery, raisins, and dry dates to his breakfast to support his lungs naturally. Cross mark emoji. What Robert avoided like the plague: no more spicy, oily, or heavy food. He stopped eating meat, onions, and pickles. His favorite cold drinks and ice cream were replaced by warm herbal teas. He avoided idli, dosa, and urad dal completely. They triggered flare-ups. Most importantly, he stayed away from cold environments, dust and smoked tobacco and alcohol. He kept his room clean, used warm clothing, and practiced deep breathing every day. Glowing star emoji. The result: within 3 months, something incredible happened. His inhaler use dropped drastically. He slept peacefully without wheezing. His energy returned, and so did his smile. People began asking, "Robert, what changed?" And he'd simply reply, "I stopped eating what my lungs hated, and started feeding them peace." Brain emoji. Moral of the story: asthma is not the end of breath, but the beginning of awareness. What you eat and avoid can shape how deeply you live.